Hey. It was a good date.
It's
You gonna
good?
make it better?
Yeah. What about here?
Right.
I want to get engaged.
Okay.
Come on.
You serious? What you gonna buy me? A ring pop? You got me in this janky spot. Trying to go home.
I got a little surprise for you.
Yeah?
And everything you need is in that bag. Just have fun, and I'll see you later.
What the hell is this? What you mean?